Hi there, I'm Bradie from Sparrow Quilt Company. There are so many different ways that you can make a half square triangle. In this video, I'm going to show you the traditional method of doing that. So I have a ruler, I have my two squares of different colored fabrics, and I have a pencil. I've got a really fine tip pencil because I just like a really fine line. I'm going to use my lighter colored square, and I'm going to put my ruler on the diagonal from tip to tip. And I always like to just touch the tips with my pencil to make sure I can reach them, that I'm not going under the ruler in order to do so. And I'm just going to do a straight line, and I like to draw it out from center because I find if I go from top to bottom it kind of drags the fabric and makes my line a little bit inaccurate. So if I start from center and draw out, it stays nice and straight. Now I'm just going to place that square right sides together on top of my second square, and I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch to the left of that line, and I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch to the right of that line. So give me a quick moment here while I whip that up. I just line up my 1/4 inch foot with that drawn line, and I can see that my stitches will be a 1/4 inch away from that line that I've drawn. Now I won't even cut my thread. I'm just going to come back from the other direction. And again, I'm going to sew a 1/4 inch from that line that I've drawn on there. Good, that didn't take long. Let's snip our threads. Knot our fingers. And now that line that I drew earlier is now going to be my cutting line. So I'm going to line up my ruler from point to point, go ahead and make that cut, and that yields me 2 half square triangles. Nice and simple, right? Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.